Yeah, so today I know National No Panty Day, don't?
Yeah.
And some girls say them not go wear panty.
Yeah, them hype up doggy. I have to put them in a place.
So I gotta tell you why you have to wear your panty.
If the pum pum are run like Red Sea, wear a panty.
Because if your belly are cover your pum pum and you know if you tuck in your belly, you need to put on a panty.
If you not keep it clean and not shave, wear a panty. Yeah.
If your pum pum not turn up, you put on a panty.
If it look like hill and gully, wear a panty. Yeah.
So if your blood clot and pretty them and wear panty, you have to put on a.
If it bump up, wear a panty.
You see, if you look like Precious and that be a fried chicken in yam, you have to put on a panty. Put on 5.
If it smell like fish market, wear a panty.
You see, if you have more pretty than shoes, go put on a panty. Quick.
If your pum pum look like Mike Tyson, just beat it up. Put on a panty.
You see, if a whole basketball team run through your pum pum, just go put on a panty.
If you don't see cold red yet, put on a panty. If a player can land in night, wear a panty. Yeah.
If when the man put him thing in there, you know, and him not feel no walls, no friction in the middle, you know, just.
If you can't 6:30, wear a panty.
You see, if potential kid fuck you, put on 3 panty.
If you give man blue balls, put on a panty.
You see, if you do that shit with the ping pong balls, put on a panty. Put on a panty here.
Yeah, quick video. One more coming right after this.
Go put on a panty after you watch the videos in.